Hey there! We're your local mini excavator rental experts right here in South King County, Seattle. Need to tackle a digging job but don't want a huge machine? We've got the perfect compact equipment for you. Our fleet is packed with popular mini excavator brands like Anakuma, Kubota, Yanmar, Komatsu, and Caterpillar. All sized right for those tighter spaces and common projects. And the best part? Our prices are seriously low. Right now, you can grab some of our machines for just $99 a day. Yes, $99. Looking for affordable, reliable digging power? Give us a call or check us out.